This video will demonstrate the steps to take if the equipment you are servicing does not exist in our system or does not exactly match. Begin by navigating to the Work Performed screen and select the green Add Work Performed button. You will then select the bottom right-hand Add Edit Assets button. And you'll want to make sure you scroll through the equipment list that is available. If the equipment is very close to the information that you have on the equipment, you will go ahead and click the white Edit Asset button. And you can go ahead and edit any typos that may exist. If the equipment you are servicing does not match or is not similar to any of the information in the system, go ahead and scroll back up and use the green Add Asset button. You now have multiple fields to fill in that you will use the information on the equipment with. Begin by attaching an asset tag ID to the equipment. Once that asset tag ID is on the equipment, go ahead and enter the number for it in the field. You can then go ahead and label the asset number. And if the customer asset number is available, please go ahead and enter it there. You can also tie that back to the asset number you just created. If none of those is an option, please feel free to enter NA as well. The make model will be a drop-down that you'll use. And scroll through to find the one that you are using. I have selected a Thermoplasma strain CTS2. And enter your serial number. Make sure you enter the type. I am scrolling through and looking for espresso. I've selected espresso machine. And then go ahead and write the area that it serves. So it's going to serve the right side cafeteria. If the install date is available, go ahead and enter that now. I'm going to go ahead and use today's date. And then the year the equipment was made, if that's available. Once you have entered all the fields required, you can go ahead and click the green Save and Done. You are then redirected to the Select Asset screen. To double check that the asset you just added is saved, go ahead and enter that asset tag ID number. Once it's entered, use the green Continue button. And you can see now that the asset ID you entered is associated with the asset that you just added to the system. In order to use this asset, just go ahead and select the green Select button and move forward with adding additional material.